Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is DJ Slain Dog with Slain Dog Productions, mobile DJ service, and family entertainment. If you are a DJ, videographer, or photographer for weddings, you might want to pay attention to this video. WeDJ.com is teaming up with Carnival Cruise Lines in 2013 for the Sail Away Convention. Now this is for any DJ, videographer, or photographer that does weddings. What it is you spend 7 days aboard Carnival's mega ship, the Legend. You will sail from Tampa, Florida to Mexico and beyond. You will enjoy 7 fantastic days where you can eat, drink, party, and learn. Since this is going to be a fun cruise, there will be only about 4 hours convention times for DJs, photographers, and videographers. This fantastic cruise is on one of Carnival's newest and most luxurious ships. So if you want to have more information on it, please go to www.wedjcruise.com and it will give you all the information you will need for this trip. If you want to be a part of this cruise, you can network with other people in the wedding industry, and you can learn. It's kind of like a bridal show on the sea. So I think it'd be pretty cool. I don't know, maybe you might too. That's again, the website is www.wedjcruise.com. I will post the website on the bottom of the video in the description. And as always, everybody practice and enjoy.